All right. Long time no see. I hope you all had a great holiday and a great Thanksgiving and time to just sit back and relax with family and friends. And now we are back and we are looking for the last trading month of a great trading year. And as you can tell from the arrows on SPY, we are getting that melt up towards the all-time high targets that I gave you. And remember, I told you before Thanksgiving that this was the highest probability chance, and there was no reason to expect anything but this scenario and then simply react if we got the bearish scenario. So hopefully that suggestion helped you out, and hopefully you made lots of money last week into today. And just a very quick announcement, today is the very last day you will be able to get the discount for the Black Friday deal. I did extend it out because today is Cyber Monday. So if you do want access to my alert service where I tell you the exact percent allocations that I am personally taking for the TQQQ and the SQQQ, today will be the last day to get that 50% off your first month discount, and all of the details will be in the description as well as the comment section. All right, so moving forward, this is your last month for the year. I strongly suggest you just go with the flow. Don't try to do anything risky. Let's finish out this trading year on a high note without any crazy risk. And right now, that is really just simply letting this trend take us to higher prices while we ride the trend, and then jump off this crazy ride if the chart tells us to. And right now, there is nothing on this chart that tells us to get off the bullish freight train while we just continue to make higher lows and higher highs and all-time highs in SPY. So this is going to remain a bullish chart while SPY continues to close above 598 with those upper targets there at 606, 608, and then 614. Bull trend until it's not. We will react if price tells us to do something other than stay on the bull trend. And I really do want to keep it just that simple going into the last trading month for the year. So let's not overcomplicate this. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 1.09% today, and this is by far lagging behind SPY because we just got the all-time high in the triple Qs today. And as you saw from SPY, it's been making all-time highs day after day for at least a week now, so the triple Qs are catching back up. The arrow says we should be going higher towards 525. We have the bull trend, price actions above 510. We got the all-time high breakout confirmation. So again, we're just going to continue to ride this trend and not try to fight it because it is a bull trend until it's not. So just stay bullish in the triple Qs while it's above 510. Go with the flow and move like water and manage risk at support. And if we start breaking down, we will react to the chart and plan accordingly. And then finally, I am way overdue for an update on Bitcoin. The last time I talked to you, I said be very careful. I was expecting a pivot high and then coming down towards at least 93 to 94,000. We hit that target dead on the nose on the exact date expected, and even went all the way down towards 91,000. And then from there, we are getting this lazy bounce on low volume to a lower high. So I will tell you once more, this still looks very risky, and I do believe we're going even lower. It is going to be a possibility for either a bull flag of just going absolutely nowhere, but more than likely we're going to see some high volume panic and we're going to reach 84,000. So I still think Bitcoin is going to be weak or relatively weak in the short term. I still think this is altcoin season, if you know what that means. Otherwise, just focus on Bitcoin likely going nowhere to down. So I still see lots of downside risk in Bitcoin. Been absolutely nailing every move on Bitcoin. So don't take this lightly. This is definitely a risk you should be aware of. And the confirmation that this move is occurring will be that breakdown below 92,000, and then we should easily start to flush. If you do want to stay bullish, that's completely fine. Just be aware of the risk. That is all that I need to tell you there. If you're aware of the risk and you are prepared for it, then you'll do fine no matter what. So don't forget, this will be the absolute last day to claim the 50% off discount for my trade alert service. All of the details will be in the comment section below, but you will get access and trade alerts to all of my percent allocations for TQQQ and SQQQ. So remember, it's the last month of the year. It has been an absolute great trading year, so don't do anything to mess it up. And if you're in any of my services, I will be doing a lot of preparation and a lot of updates preparing us for next year, which I am very excited about because I do believe next year is going to be a very volatile year, which is going to be absolutely great for us traders. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market, and as always, I will see you in the next episode.